There are three key pillars to our project management methodology. The first is transparency. We want to make sure that all of the activities that we're pursuing are clearly understood and communicated to the appropriate stakeholder groups. That includes not just the successes, but the challenges along the way. Traceability, making sure that we are tracking our deliverables from the initial objectives all the way through to the end state of the project. And then of course flexibility. We want to make sure that as we go through the delivery lifecycle, we recognize that our customers' needs are going to change oftentimes. Their business moves very quickly too. So we have processes built in for us to go ahead and ensure that we're adapting to their needs. The way we communicate with our customers is through a series of status reports. That's very common in the project management world, but what we want to ensure that we're doing is communicating our schedule status, our budgetary status. Of course, we engage very highly with our customers. We do have a weekly status call, but we often find, depending on the velocity that the customers need to move at, oftentimes the level of engagement that's needed, we can increase the frequency of those check-ins, and then we sometimes are opening up chat channels via Slack or email communication too. Now there are other steps that we take on a more tactical level, in terms of how we engage our technical resources. Those are the folks, for example, who might be hands-on actually developing the solution or configuring the solution. We have a model in place where we are allowed to go ahead and engage resources from a pool. All these resources are equipped. They can engage with our technical lead who can bring them up to speed, so we can bring in additional work as needed. That helps us move forward efficiently. I would also add, I think the strong partnership with our customer is important. Having that engagement on a regular basis, because efficiency is also going to be tied with the effective speed for which we're able to move and the level of effort required to progress the project forward. So just having that really strong engagement, talking when we need to, recognizing blockers that could be forthcoming, making sure that we're removing those.